Dear ladies and gentlemen, got a brand new hotel for you. This is the Lanna Hotel, located inside the ancient city of Chiang Mai. So let's go ahead and check out the room. You have to cross a river to get here. And I think I've outdone myself here. Beautiful plush bed, excellent working desk, smart TV, okay, smart. And then this is pretty cool. You can open up the shutters that bring you into the stand-up shower as well as the bathtub. But there is one thing that I've never seen at a hotel before that really impressed me. They got a stand-up urinal for me. Middle of the night, tired, don't want to aim. This is coming in at 40 or 50 a night. The Lanna Hotel, located right in the center of Chiang Mai. They do have a nice pool, looks pretty clean. They've got a gym, restaurant, and everything is pretty walkable. I think Wat Phra Singh, the temple, is really close. So if you're considering a hotel, The Lanna Hotel has a lot to offer. Arigato gozaimasu.